So just an update on what the overall Flinger looks like right now. The magazine here is just a placeholder test. The full magazine is actually pretty tall, so there's no need to print the whole thing, just as a test print. I thought I had finished the design for most of these, but I've decided to actually redo it again. So I'm just going to stick with my test print colors, white, red, black, and save my real colors for a little bit more. I've got much more testing to do because I've changed this and I've sort of added a piece and whatnot. But so this is it. The magazine here is just a standard Nerf dart magazine. It's got some Nerf darts in there. There's a mighty servo here. This is a mighty servo, 108 ounce inches at 4.8 volts. It is in fact a really mighty servo. So it's got a gear here, which the gearing is a 1-to-4 reduction. So this only has to turn a quarter of a turn for this thing to move its entire length. So if we just, down here we have where the motor spins. I got lucky again with the balance point. You know, I kind of guessed where it was, and look at that. It's like perfect. I mean, really, it's just right there, eh? So that's excellent. That means the servo that controls this, which is actually, I picked up a really tiny servo, but it's a fairly strong servo, especially for its size. So that's cool. So let's see, what was I talking about? Okay, this spins. Let's see if I can get it going the right direction. And then, as it spins through, oops, there. It pushes the dart out the front and into the firing barrels. So the firing barrels would pick it up and shoot it out. And then this thing goes back. The next dart drops in. It wouldn't go back quite that far. And it just keeps shuffling them out. So I'm out of bullets. So you can see, with that servo turning, it actually goes pretty quick. So yeah, it'll go boom, 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 boom. And with that new motor, if you just saw the video I just posted right before this one, the new motor makes it go really fast. I think. I don't know. I got to modify the design of the barrel and create a new barrel for the bigger shaft with a hex in there. And then I guess I can just fix the code for the new servo. The new servo seems to work backwards from the original servo I was using, which was a standard Futaba. So, yeah, I just got to do some modification there. So, yeah, that's kind of what it looks like right now. The mount, the base, has some uprights on there where the mini servo, micro servo will be installed to control the tilt. And then at the bottom of that is where the turntable is to control the pivoting. So, I've got the designs for those, but I haven't started any even test prints on them, just because I want to get this really finished and working well. Right now, I've got too much slop in the gear here. I mean, way too much. If you notice, this gear doesn't move when I do that. That's a lot of slop. So, and I've decided to put a little bit of a brace on here. You'll see it later, but whatever. Anyway, so that's the beast. It's going to look cool. All right. Bye-bye.